differentiability. In previous videos, in the chapter 5th, continuity and differentiability, continuity part is finished. Now we are discussing about differentiability. Already we know the definition of the derivative from the first PUC. Already we have in first PUC limits and derivatives chapter. So again, once we are recalling those formulas and the definition of differentiation. Okay. So f of x is a real valued function in the interval closed interval of a comma b. Then the derivative of f of x is denoted by d by dx of f of x or f dash of x is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. This is defined, this value if it is defined, then the function is differentiable in the interval of a comma b. Otherwise it is not a differentiable function. So this one in first PUC, this formula we called as the first principle derivatives, the derivative first principle. The first principle of derivative we called in first PUC. Once you recall this formula, and at the point C, f dash of c is equals to limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h minus f of c by h. Next here, left hand derivative, right hand derivative. Left hand limit we saw in the continuity. Here left hand derivative, you see left hand derivative nothing but limit h tends to 0 minus of f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Right hand derivative nothing but limit h tends to 0 plus of f of x plus h minus f of x by h. If left hand derivative is equals to right hand derivative, then f of x is differentiable. F of x is a differentiable function. F of x is what? Differentiable function. This one we know from the first PUC. So once simply you remember this formula and this formula, left hand limit and right hand limit. If left hand limit and right hand limits are equal, then f is differentiable. Which one you need to remember? This formula number 1, formula number 2, this is formula number 3, number 4, this is to take as a note. These 4 formulas and that note you remember once. You take a screenshot and you read these formulas. Right? Next we will see some formulae on differentiable. Okay? Some formulae on differentiable derivatives. First formula already is all the formulas we used in first PUC. Once you recall these formulas, first one, derivative of x to the power of n is equals to n into x power of n minus 1. For example, x power of 10 is 10 into x power of 9. X power of 2020 into x power of 2019. The power is multiplying, the power of the index of x is decreased by 1. So this one. By using this formula only, we are getting this one. Derivative of 1 by x is equals to minus 1 by x square. How? 1 by x nothing but x power of minus 1. Here n is equals to minus 1. You apply this formula, you are getting minus 1 by x square. Most of the times we are facing this problem, so that I written as a formula. Derivative of 1 by x is what? Minus 1 by x square. This is also same. Derivative of 1 by root x also we are getting sometimes. So derivative of 1 by root x is 2 root x. Okay. Derivative of constant derivative is 0. Next to third. Derivative of d by dx of e power of x is e power of x only. Derivative of log x base here e. Log x base e, derivative is 1 by x. Derivative of a power of x is a power of x log a base e. Next to sixth one, product rule. Derivative of u v whole dash is equals to u into v derivative. U into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. U v dash plus v u dash. Derivative the product rule for three functions u v w whole dash. We are taking 2 as a constant, third one derivative we are applying. Here w derivative, here v derivative, here u derivative. Then next to at that time remaining 2 functions are taking constant. Next to u by v divisible division derivative. U by v whole dash is equals to v u dash minus u v dash by v square. Next to trigonometric functions derivative. Derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, derivative of tan x secant square x, derivative of secant x tan x, derivative of cosecant x minus cosecant x cot x, derivative of cot x is minus cosecant square x. In notes they have written positive to change it this one. Derivative of cot x is what? Minus cosecant square x. Next to u plus r minus v whole dash is equals to u dash plus r minus v dash. If it is plus, we are getting here plus. If it is minus, here minus. Next to dy by dx chain rule. Dy by dx is equals to, because x and y is equals to some f of t function is there, x is equals to some g of t function is there. Then how we are finding dy by dx? So by the chain rule, this is equals to dy by dx is equals to dy by dt by dx by dt. Actually this is dy by dt into dt by dx. Nothing but dy by dt by dx by dt, you remember. If it is if x and y are in the variable of t, we are using this formula. Next to most of the time we are using this formula also. Derivative of x power of x. Derivative of x power of x is x power of x into 1 plus log x. Actually this is in first you see board question, this is exercise question, x power of x derivative. How we are finding y is equals to x power of x? We are assuming we are applying both side logarithm, power functions. Power functions, how we solved? Sin x power of x, x power of x, sin x power cos x, cos x power of sin x. So like this some power functions derivatives already we find. So from that x power of x formula solution, this one solution I have written as a formula, because so many times we are using this formula. So derivative of x power of x is x power of x into 1 plus log x, or x power of x into 1, what we will write? Log e. Log e plus log x, log a plus log b, log a into b, log e into x. So like that I have written. Next to this one, 13th one, this is which type of function? Composite function. Composite function derivative. Derivative of f of g of x is equals to f dash of g of x into g of g dash of x. For example, you see composite function application. For example, we need to find derivative of sine of x square, we need to find. So first you apply the derivative for sine function. Sine function derivative what? Cos. So same angle bracket. Next to this one, this is g of x. That means here g of x is x square. X square derivative what? 2x. What is the result? 2x into cos of x square. 2x into cos of x square. So like this we are writing. So this is the composite function. Just we remember these all the formulas, then easily we are solving next exercises.